This is Kyla, and for today's video guys, I'm going to show you my few tips and tricks to help you whiten your teeth at home. So just a disclaimer before we start this video, I just want to say that I am not a dentist, nor do I pretend to be one, but I'm really sharing with you guys all of the hacks that I like to do to prevent discoloration and to maintain the whiteness of my teeth. So if you are interested in what I do to whiten my teeth, just keep on watching. So the first step to whitening your teeth is preventing them to become yellow in the first place. So what you can do to prevent yellow teeth is to avoid the foods that cause them. So what are these foods exactly? There's a lot of foods that you intake every day that can actually help you have yellow teeth. And some of them are coffee, tea, soft drinks, red wine, and some dark fruits like berries and stuff. So the best thing that you can do, of course, is to avoid those foods altogether, or at least limit your consumption of them. So for example, you're drinking coffee more than once a day, try doing it for once a day only, and then after that, do it every other day. Just gradually limit your consumption of these particular foods. But if avoiding these particular drinks or even limiting your consumption of them is not an option for you, you can of course use some straws. So if you were to consume any of those staining foods that I previously mentioned, drinking them with a straw would limit their contact to your teeth and will therefore avoid staining your teeth. Just avoid having staining foods and beverages touch your teeth as much as possible. Another thing that really impacts the color of your teeth is the way you brush your teeth. So I know that this is practically common sense because this has been taught to us since we were young, but we all know that you should all brush your teeth at least twice a day. However, brushing your teeth can actually make it sensitive, if that makes any sense. So basically, you should wait at least 30 minutes into 1 hour before brushing your teeth after eating something, because the acids in your food can actually weaken your enamel, and then brushing them can actually strip them off even more. So me personally, I brush my teeth at night 1 hour after eating something, and in the morning 1 hour before eating something. I don't know if it does anything to your teeth, but it just tastes bad. The next step is to try to intake as much fruits and vegetables as much as possible all throughout the day. So think of it this way, when you bite into an apple, the apple fibers actually like rub into your teeth. So it's kind of like cleaning your teeth all throughout the day, but of course it's not a substitute for brushing your teeth, but eating crunchy vegetables like apples and then cabbages can actually whiten your teeth throughout the day because you are slightly cleaning your teeth with every single bite. And now, the thing that really helped me whiten my teeth in just 10 days is this teeth whitening kit from Vivid Smile. So this product contains this pen and this device right here. So this pen has ingredients in this that really effectively helps to remove the stains in your teeth. And the said teeth whitening ingredients that this pen has reacts with the cold-laid Blu-ray technology of this mouthpiece right here. And now I'm going to demonstrate to you guys how I use this. Okay, so I just finished rinsing my mouth with water prior to this. The next thing that I do is to take a piece of tissue paper and I wipe my teeth dry with it because the product is more effective that way. This is because the saliva dilutes the gel when I don't do this step. Then, I will take the pen containing the gel and just brush it all over my teeth. I'm smiling in a weird way because I don't want my lips or any part of my mouth to touch the gel. And also so that my teeth won't get wet again by the saliva. I am only applying it on my upper teeth because I have braces on my lower teeth, but you can apply it on both set of teeth. What I really like about this teeth whitening pen is that the tip is just the perfect size to cover every single tooth evenly. And then I will take the mouthpiece and bite into it. It just fits perfectly into my teeth. You can connect this device in any gadget that you have. I'm just going to use my iPod. Each kit comes with an adapter for every smartphone out there. Now, all that's left to do is wait for 16 minutes, rinse it afterwards, and you're good to go. So this teeth whitening kit really helped me whiten my teeth a lot. So before using this product, I used to think that I have really white teeth because a lot of people has been telling me that I have really white teeth. But this product really showed me that I don't have a white teeth after all because my teeth went from white to white. Like I'll show you guys here the before and after pictures of my teeth before and after using this product for 10 days. And just look at the difference and look at how much it really whitened my teeth. So if you are someone who is really struggling with stained teeth, I would really recommend using this product because it will really help you with your problem. And if you use my code Kyla, you will get 300 pesos off. And now for the fastest way to whiten your teeth, of course, is to wear red lipstick. So of course, wearing red lipstick actually won't alter the color of your teeth, but rather it will create an illusion of whiter teeth because it will enhance the contrast of the color of your teeth and the color of your lips. So basically, wearing red lipstick will make your teeth appear so much whiter. And now for the last part, and probably the most important part, is just to have a really good dental hygiene. So once again, I know that this is all pretty much common sense, but brushing and flossing your teeth regularly can actually lessen the flake buildup in your teeth, and thus lessen the yellow discoloration. So of course, the fluoride in the toothpaste that you use every day can actually gently remove the stains in your teeth, and then use the floss to remove any of the stuff that your toothpaste didn't reach. And also visit your dentist twice a year for necessary checkup and clean-ups, and also to know what's really causing your yellow teeth in the first place. And that concludes this video, guys. Once again, I just want to say that I am not a dentist. I do not pretend to be a dentist, and I know that dentists know much more than I do. So if I said something in this video that is completely wrong, just comment down below and please correct me, and also so that other people who are watching this video will also be aware of that. So with that being said, please subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I do beauty and fashion related content, so just please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and it would really help small creators like me. Follow me on all of my social media accounts. I'll put it in the bottom part of the screen right here. And that's about it. See ya!